How do topic sentences ace essay questions? Imagine trying to find your way through a maze without a map. That's what writing an essay without clear topic sentences feels like. They are the signposts that guide your reader and keep your writing on track. When you answer an essay question, each paragraph needs to stick to one main idea. That main idea is what the topic sentence states. It tells the reader what that paragraph is about right from the start. This way, they can follow your argument easily. It also helps you stay focused and avoid going off topic. When you write a strong topic sentence, you set a clear direction for your paragraph. It acts like a mini thesis statement for that section. For example, if the essay asks why exercise is good for health, a topic sentence could be, regular exercise improves cardiovascular health. This sentence tells the reader what to expect in that paragraph. It also connects to the overall essay theme. Using topic sentences makes your essay more organized. Each paragraph builds on the last and leads smoothly to the next. This logical flow makes your argument stronger and easier to understand. When you craft a good topic sentence, include two parts. First, state the main subject of the paragraph. Second, add a controlling idea that shows your point of view or angle. For example, eating fruits and vegetables boosts immune function. This clearly shows what the paragraph will discuss and why it matters. From a test-taking point of view, using topic sentences saves time. You can quickly plan your answer and stay relevant. When graders read your essay, clear topic sentences help them see your main points fast. They can easily follow your reasoning and give you higher marks. Overall, topic sentences are your best tool for answering essay questions well. They keep your writing focused, organized, and easy to follow. They help you stay on track during exams and make your ideas clear. When you master writing strong topic sentences, you improve your chances of exam success and build your confidence in academic writing.